Hi, I'm just going to talk to Trish. Trish, could you introduce yourself, please?
My name's Trish Taylor and I work at Currumbin Children's Centre as the group leader.
Trish, what service did you go to Cairns to visit when in the exchange program?
I went to Smithfield Childcare Centre out at Smithfield.
Can you tell us a little bit about Smithfield Childcare Centre?
It's a split room, 0 to 6, and they have 4 rooms. They have a group leader for each room, an assistant for each room, plus floating staff throughout the day to relieve them, as well as a director and a chef.
Excellent. What did the exchange program do for you, Trish? How did it make you feel and what did it do for you?
It gave me a more inclination to be a childcare worker. I'm more enthusiastic about it now. I can see that there's different centres and each centre can bring new ideas and so forth. I got heaps of new ideas. I've seen different ways of treating children and staff and so forth. I got heaps of stuff out of it. And I brought heaps of stuff back to the centre as well.
Okay, do you think it was a beneficial program to undertake? Well, like being in a remote area, going to the city, or...?
Yes, I can't say enough about it. It was brilliant. The accommodation was really cool too. But like the staff were so friendly and we got to do so much. Only thing I could suggest is to be longer. I would have loved to have spent another day at least in the centre, because it was quite rushed. The arrangement of travel plans, and I understand that being in a remote area, but yes, it was very beneficial and I recommend it totally, and I can't wait, and hopefully I'll get to do it again.
Excellent. So that was my next question, would you do it again?
Yes, and I recommend anyone that is in a remote area, or even if you live in the city, to go and look at a different centre, because you'll get different ideas. And like I got a lot out of it, as in we as Currumbin Childcare Centre are a brilliant centre and we go above and beyond what most centres do, and I think we rock now. But they're a really good centre at Smithfield as well, but it's a different centre altogether. Okay,
Trishy, a couple of words to describe what the program did for you or what you took away from the program being involved in it. Just a brief sentence or a statement. What do you think?
Renewed enthusiasm for childcare, and I'm really looking forward to a career in childcare now. I want to go further and I want to keep studying.
Well done. Excellent. Anything else to add, Trish?
No, but I'll definitely come back again and I'll definitely do it again.
Excellent. All right. Thank you, Trish.